Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Taste. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 to prime my eyes. I'm gonna use my one size setting powder to set it. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. So I'm really trying to grow my channel, y'all. So yeah, please make sure that you do that. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm just going to take that brown shade and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the Card Beauty Stroke of Midnight palette, and I'm going to use 3 eyeshadows. I'm going to use that light gold shade, I'm going to use that darker gold shade, and then I'm going to use that blue shade and put that underneath my eyes. But I'm going to do that later on in the video because I think at this time I have forgot. So I just used the eyeshadows on my lids, but I didn't put it underneath my eyes yet. So you'll see that later on in the video. Next, I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Next, I'm using my AOA Studio Lash Glue and my Ioni Shanghai lashes. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil to make sure those no gaps showing, and use my Essence Waterproof Mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in shade 425. Now for some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon, and I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And I'm just going to put this all the places like where the light would naturally hit. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use that top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline because it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Okay, I blended out that concealer I had down. Now I'm using a combination of my AB8 setting powder and my One Size powder to set where that concealer was. Now for my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm going to use Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm going to use a mixture of those two shades for my blush. And then I'm just going to use that gold shade right there for my highlight. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Full Face Satin Lipstick in Hustle and my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. Now I'm using the Cover Effect setting spray to set my face. And that is it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this gold eyeshadow look with a pop of color. I really enjoyed creating this, and this is an easy look for just about anyone to do. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you click the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday and a new video on Friday. Also comment, like, share. I really appreciate that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.